Let's do a quick tour around the house. We got the backyard. We got the pool table. We got this. We got a fireplace. Hello, Max, that's me. That's the front door. We got a kitchen. We got a big kitchen. We got this right here. We got a dining room area thing. All right, here we go. Look at this. You know what? I'm coming out here for a second. Look at how beautiful this is. This is the second floor. We got a third floor. Check this out. Oh, gosh. This is so beautiful. And that, once again, was the bottom floor. Ooh, I got a little pokey in me. Owie. All right, here we go. Ooh. Don't forget, keep that closed. Buggies. Let's go. Nobody's here. There's a bathroom. Open. You have no idea what I'm doing, but what does that look like? Ugh. Into the elevator we go. I just pressed door 1, floor 1, number 1 floor. Going down the elevator. Going down the elevator. Oh, looks like we're there. All right, here we go. All right. Downstairs. Awesome. Here we go. I go into the room back there, but we got a room down here. Let's see, can I turn these on? We got a bedroom in here. Awesome. Ow, that hurt. Check this place out. Here, let's just unlock this. There we go. We'll do this real quick. Check that out. Beautiful, right? And don't forget the hot tub. Cannot forget the hot tub. I love this backyard. Freaking cool. All right, lock this back up. For any of you that are asking, yes, there are bears that come out here. Yes, indeed.